Hey everyone, this is Stealth, and welcome to Moto Gear Solid. I finally named the channel. I figured I'd name it something. I don't want to just call it Stealth. So Konami, don't sue me. Love you. I'm back here with the CBR250R. What did we do last video? Oh yeah, we did the exhaust last video. Put the stock exhaust back on. And this video we're going to do the Fender Eliminator. I've already taken off the ugly stock thing that everyone hates. Just sticks out there. I don't know why Honda doesn't just make these bikes, or any bikes, make a nice Fender Eliminator from the get-go, but somebody please explain this. I would appreciate it. Got a Fender Eliminator kit, got it off Amazon. It wasn't too expensive, I think it was like 50-60 bucks. It actually came with instructions. But I'll look to them if I need some help on stuff, but it seems pretty straightforward, to be honest. This looks like it just mounts up with the stock bolts. I had to refer to the instructions a bit. I actually had to use this back cover. I thought I was going to be able to throw this away, but it actually said to cut it off like that around this little graph chart thing. So then all you do is just line it up. So I had to take this screw out, this bolt, because you got to install it later. Then you have to drill a hole to line up that hole right there for the bolt. So this is what it looks like from the bottom. I need a couple clips actually to lock that down, but I'm having some shipped to me, so it should be fine. If you get one of these, I'm pretty sure they all ask you to keep the license plate light. I was having an issue with this going flush, so I just cut, there was like a raised little bit here, so I just cut that off. I like that they're a lot smaller than the stock ones. I hate those ones. Look at the size difference. So the Fender Eliminator is installed. Looks really good. I love the look of these things. So much better than that stock ugly Fender thing. Oh man. Okay, so now we're going to test out all the lights and everything. Alright, running lights working. Glad. Okay, check the signals. Good. Let's check the brake. Perfect. Okay, so there's an issue with the bike. It's not too serious if my assumption is correct. So when I start it up, it kind of struggles, and to me it seems like it's not getting enough spark. Like I feel like it's getting fuel, but when you rev it, it's probably getting gas, but the gas isn't being ignited inside the engine. So I think a new spark plug would correct this problem. So since everything is already off here, it's the best time to take off the tank and get to the spark plug, because it's right underneath. Honda, why you gotta put this stuff underneath? Make it so difficult. Okay, so I'll let you guys hear the issue that I'm having with the bike. You'll see on the startup. See, when I give it gas, it dies. So hopefully when I change the spark plug, it should fix that. We'll see. Alright, so I have another problem I need to fix. Foot shifter and pedal thing. Okay, so does that look weird to you at all? Look at that. So I have to get a new one. Look at that. Look at the difference. No, this bike definitely wasn't dropped. No way. Behind there. Okay. Let's see Okay. So here's the old shifter. Okay, next thing I was going to do is change the brakes. I've already changed the back brakes, and I'm just going to change the front brakes. I'd eventually like to do the brake fluid flush, but I'll wait till the spring to do it because I don't want the brake fluid just sitting. I'll do it before I sell it. That way it's fresh, because you don't want the brake fluid sitting, you know, especially if the bike's not even moving too much. Because then something with air or temperature and water gets in, I don't know, something science, you know, it's not good. Look it up. That's all the work for today on the CBR250R. What did I do today? So I installed the Fender Eliminator. Looks so much better. I changed the spark plug. I was having that startup issue. It was sluggish on startup, and also would shut off when I hit the throttle. Also changed the shifter foot lever thingy because it was bent. And at the end I changed the back and front brakes. Took a little bit of struggle to get the front brakes on. So I had to compress the pistons, but once I did that, it was pretty easy to get the caliper back on to the disc and tighten everything back together. Okay, so what's left for this bike? Next video I'm going to put on all the fairings, and I'm going to put the crash bars on, and I'm also going to change the front signals. I got another pack of these cool turn signals. I like them, they're really nice. I like the smoke cover on them, looks so cool, matches the look of the bike, all blacked out. So before I put the side fairings on, I'm going to change out these ugly stock turn signals. I'm just learning as I go. I don't know anything about this stuff. I'm just using common sense from what I learned when I was younger with cars and shop class and whatever. It's really fun to work on these bikes, just something new hobby in my life. So when this bike's done, I'm going to bring in another bike. I get this thing out of here. I'll bring in like my Yamaha V-Star 650 Classic, and I'll restore that because that needs more work than this. So I just did this first as a kind of like a feeling out process if I actually want to do this stuff. But I'm actually having a lot of fun. So I hope you guys enjoy the videos. If you want to see more updates on this and other bike projects that I do, please subscribe to Moto Gear Solid. Like the video and comment down below. We're working on any bikes in the winter because can't really ride right now, so it's kind of nice to do something in the meantime. So keep an eye out for the next video, and I'll see you guys soon.